Timeshares aren't the only way Pete and I like to travel. Recently, we boarded the MSC Poesia to tour around Northern Europe. We'd never sailed on MSC before, so we didn't know what to expect. We knew it was a budget line, but would the accommodations be budget as well? We booked ourselves a deluxe balcony stateroom. In fact, we were in cabin 9049. The queen-size bed was quite comfortable, and we had a variety of pillows to choose from. I thought we had a coffee bar, but look, it was only hot water with instant coffee. We had a TV in the corner of a room with a storage cabinet. Hey there, Pete. Then we also had this ginormous mirror on the wall. There was a small chair in the corner with a table, and then we had 2 chairs and a table out on our balcony. Let's take a look inside the closet. The closet has 5 drawers as well as a safe. The drawers were perfect if you pack in packing cubes, which I always do, and I've linked them in the description. I love them. Then the closet had 2 different sides. These sides had about 5 or 6 hangers on each side. If you like your clothes hung up, you can request additional hangers, but it would probably be better if you brought your own. The size of the bathroom was adequate. It did come with shampoo and lotion and all the things that you'd expect. Didn't love the shower curtain. It did get the floor wet, but overall it was a good bathroom. So what did we think of our first cabin on an MSC cruise? We definitely felt like upgrading to the balcony was the right move for us. We loved being able to pull into port and enjoy the sights.